Have you placed your Greenworks battery on the charger only to find that it refuses to charge or the indicator lights are behaving unexpectedly? This issue can be frustrating, especially when you are ready to use your lawn equipment. Fortunately, charging problems are often caused by temporary conditions such as dirty contacts, overheating, or an interrupted power supply rather than a completely failed battery. In many situations, a Greenworks battery not charging problem can be resolved without replacing the battery pack. Before assuming the battery is defective or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore proper charging. 1. Remove the battery from the charger and allow both components to cool down if they feel warm. 2. Inspect the battery terminals and charger contacts, then clean away any dust or debris. 3. Plug the charger into a different wall outlet to rule out a power supply issue. 4. Reinsert the Greenworks battery securely and verify that it is seated correctly. 5. Observe the charging indicators and confirm that the battery begins charging normally.